Hi there. This one is for high school freshmen, sophomores, and juniors. I know it sounds so early to be talking about summer, but depending on how you want to spend your summer, it's necessary to plan ahead. Summer is an opportunity for growth, and you can grow through a structured summer program or through an unstructured experience. With structured summer programs, there's something for everyone, often with a price tag, and an application deadline, usually in January, February. Programs can focus on future career or educational interests. They can be service-based or focus on travel, or they might be hosted by a college or university. They might focus on research you could do in college, or they might be more about hands-on or experience-based learning. But a paid-for structured summer program isn't necessarily better than other options. You might want to or have to work over the summer. You might want to coordinate your own research project or pursue a leadership role in a community organization, or participate in an internship, or spend some time doing some job shadowing. There's no wrong answer as long as you're doing something that feels meaningful to you and helps you grow. These summer experiences often open new doors to friendships, connections, and a wider network. They're about personal growth. They push you to be independent, manage your time, and build skills that go beyond the classroom. So start thinking about those summer plans now. A little planning now leads to a whole lot of success later.